Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys part 2 of the How to Slay Your Wig Properly videos. Like I said before, this will be a 4-part series, and we've already completed one part, which was the stocking cap method of how to actually assemble the stocking cap method properly. Now we're actually going to apply the unit. So I have my wrap cap, my wrap scarf on. So we're going to peel that off, and our cap should be good and tight and ready. All right, so in this video, you will need a couple things. You're going to need the gossipy glued, the spiking glue, which is the yellow one. And we're also gonna need some freeze spray. And we are going to utilize a rat tail comb, preferably one that has a metal tip. All right, so starting off, we are going to start with the gossipy glue, the spiking glue. And we're just going to put it all around that perimeter, that perimeter edge. All right, when you have that applied, this is the part where most people do get confused of what to do. So that was just one layer. I do 3 layers, sometimes 4. I'm not gonna do them on camera, but just know I personally do 3 layers or 4. 9 times out of 10, you know, it's January in Texas, which means we're going through a little bit of bipolar weather. We don't know if we want to be spring or winter. So we're in this weird little state right now. So I'm going to do 4 because that usually secures my wigs for at least good 7 to 10 days. So when I come back on here, we'll be actually doing the freeze spray. So we are back. So I got my 3 layers, and as you can tell, I'm probably still drying on some parts of those 3 layers. But you're going to, when you know it's ready, when the white part turns clear. So now we're going to use our Got to Be Glue freeze spray and hit all around that area to help this process along. Because we want this wig to be down for a minute. So. All right, and the moment that everybody has been waiting on is actually applying the wig. So as you can tell, we have some spots that they're getting there on being dry. So kind of help those along. And you're gonna take your cap, you're gonna take your wig, and kind of figure out where you know everything's gonna be at. And then I like to start with the middle section first. And so you'll get up close to it and just set it down. Simple. It's like magic. And you kind of adjust everything. And then just set everything where you know for a fact, like I said, where you know for a fact where you want everything to be at. In this particular unit, I did do a review on this one, so this isn't something new that I'm bringing you guys. She is actually an old unit. Well, not old, but she's one of my fave. She's my favorite go-to curly unit. And so kind of make sure it's secure. You're going to see like the little white pieces. Those, I'm going to show you how we get rid of those and all that fun stuff. But yeah, and this is it. You just make sure everything's good and secure down with no issue and all that. And if you feel like something's not right, hey, it's not dry yet, so feel free to pick it up and place it where it needs to go. Once you think you got everything good and secure, kind of adjust everything, massage it, you know, do a throw test if you have to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, so good. We got everything going. There are going to be moments where you're going to get cute little flaps like these. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of get everything off of, off of the face and everything. And what you can do is actually take some gel. Take some gel and go underneath there. Do a thin layer and just set it down like such. Once that dries, then everything will be right as rain and we're good. And like I said, little spots like this, don't worry about it. They'll be, once they dry, it's a little bit easier to kind of camouflage that. But this is just the rough draft. We haven't even created the baby hair. But that is how I apply my wig. And, something pretty simple, pretty easy. Like I said, it'll be good and snug. And yeah, that's part of it. So if this video was to you guys liking and highly informative, did I just say informative? Informative. Boy, putting on these wigs be tripping me out. All right. But yes, if this video was to you guys liking and highly informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, drops another wig review or a how-to video. So, later.